guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making a really tasty and really yummy mug cake. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now you can see that our mug cake batter is ready. Now we're going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. So after the 2-minute microwave, this is how it looks. It's pretty spongy. It looks really yummy. So before you eat it, you're going to make sure by poking in a skewer or a knife or anything, and if it comes out clean, that means it's ready to eat. If things stick onto it, that means you still need to microwave it for like 1 minute or 30 seconds would be fine. So now let's taste it. It's hot out of the microwave, so it's very moist. That's really good. It's really moist and spongy, so I love it. So you can eat this with whipped cream, you can put sprinkles on it, you can eat it with like anything. It's really yummy. So that was all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to see my next video. Till then, bye!